Hi, I'm Nemo, and I always thought I was a calm, gentle little fish until I discovered the terrible truth. When I sneeze, the whole ocean panics. This morning, I sneezed just a tinny one and suddenly the coral flipped over. Fish ran in every direction, and an octopus fell off a rock screaming, "We're under attack," and I'm just floating there light. It was literally just a sneeze. Then I sneezed again, and the water current launched me all the way back home like an express delivery. Now every time the neighbors see me, they swim away like I'm a walking tsunami. I'm not dangerous, I just have a fishy cold.